Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring on your iPad. Since Elden Ring is a demanding console and PC game, it isn't available directly on your tablet. The solution involves using cloud gaming services, which stream the game over the internet. This means the game runs on powerful remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your iPad. You will need a reliable internet connection and a good controller to enjoy the experience fully. To get started, you will need to choose a cloud gaming service. Two popular options are GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. GeForce Now allows you to stream games you have purchased on platforms like Steam or Epic Games. Xbox Cloud Gaming, on the other hand, provides access to a large library of games included with an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Both services offer different game selections and subscription models, so pick the one that best suits your gaming library and preferences. Setting up your iPad for cloud gaming is straightforward. First, make sure your iPad is connected to a strong and fast Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz connection for better bandwidth. Next, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller, like an Xbox wireless controller or a PlayStation DualSense, to your iPad. Then, download the app for your chosen cloud gaming service from the Apple App Store. Finally, log into your account, and you will be ready to launch Elden Ring. For the best possible Elden Ring experience, consider these optimization tips. If you can, connect your home router to the internet with an Ethernet cable for maximum stability. On your iPad, close any apps running in the background to free up processing power. Within the game settings, you might want to lower some graphics options to reduce the data stream and improve responsiveness. Lastly, playing closer to your Wi-Fi router will ensure a stronger and more consistent signal, minimizing lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.